Hey y'all, I'm Jessi Harry and welcome back to my channel. This week we have a Kroger Aldi grocery haul for about $167. So let's get into what we bought. So I've got two things of these, I'm not going to try and pronounce them, rolls that I'm going to use for some sub sandwiches for lunch. I got two of them. I may freeze some if we only eat four. I just wanted to have extra. We've got some hot dog buns. Of course, you're going to see some hot dogs later. Something is like a little lunch for the guys, different than sandwiches. Some everything bagels. We've been eating a lot of these, so I'm not really sure if people are going to want them. So I may freeze these too, but we like to keep them on hand. And then the burrito flour tortillas. We've been doing wraps for lunch. Cooking taco meat. My son's been cooking taco meat and having burritos for lunch each day. We've got some pink salmon from Aldi, the frozen kind. I do like the fresh, but since we're in quarantine and spending more money because we're feeding everyone for every meal constantly, cooking at home a lot more, I just got this. So I did look at the fresh. It looked delicious. This is what I got. We got some 90-10 ground beef. Some of it's for the burritos that I talked about it. Some of it's for chili later this week. We've got some Hellmann's Real Mayo. Some Kalamata olives, pitted. Soy sauce. Some bean sprouts. Some Clausen kosher dills. I am cheap. I normally wouldn't buy these, but my mom and my husband both love them. So I got them. Got some classic lemonade and peach nectarine drinks. I love these. Some Parmesan cheese. Some of this dill pickle popcorn from Aldi. That's all the rage right now. I haven't tried it, but I've heard it's so good. So we're gonna try that this week. Some Italian croutons for salads. Two things of this chicken vermicelli and rice mix. Real good to just have on hand. A lot of times I like to just dress up my own rice and stuff, but lately, since it's, cook constantly, it's kind of nice just to have some easy things to just do up really quick and not have to really think about. Excuse you. There's my dog trying to get to the groceries. Okay, so we got some pork chops, just the assorted mix, some olive oil and sea salt butter, 2 packs of chicken, because we're doing, I think, 2 recipes with chicken this week, and then I will make myself some shredded chicken to have on my wraps, and then, of course, anybody else can eat it if they want to. So, I normally get 2 if I'm doing a lunch and some dinners with it, and then I'll maybe have like 1 or 2 breasts to freeze to put in the freezer. Here are these uncured Angus beef franks. We've never had these. I normally buy, I cannot think of the name right now, but I normally buy a really specific name brand that they actually carry at Aldi, and they're really good, but they didn't have them. So I got these. I'm sure they'll be fine. Whipped cream cheese spread for the bagels. Some almond milk coffee creamer, vanilla flavored. Some hash brown patties that I got. My son had talked about getting some for him for his breakfast, and I'm sure other people will eat them. Some pork and beans for the chili recipe. 2 things of tomato sauce. Kidney beans for chili. Jalapeno slices. Sweet relish. I don't like sweet relish, but my mom likes to put it in her tuna, so I got that for her. Milk. Sugar, no sugar added ketchup. We were about out of that. And I got this Better Than Bouillon beef base. I would have just bought the regular one, but all they had was organic. So I normally buy, if you watch my What's for Dinners, I normally use the cubes, the bouillon cubes. But I'm making a shortcut pho tonight, that Vietnamese soup. And I really didn't want to use the bouillon cubes because they're good, but I really want this soup to be really good. And I didn't want to buy a million boxes of broth either because they're expensive. So I've always heard good things about this. So we're going to try it. Hopefully it will be good. We got some uncured ham and some roast beef. I already have turkey in the refrigerator. That's for the sub sandwiches we're going to make probably tomorrow. Some paper plates. I've been trying to get away from paper plates. Then this happened, and running the dishwasher 24/7 is not ideal. So here we go. Sorry, don't come for me. Some riced cauliflower. I'm making a butter chicken parmesan thing, and the recipe calls for riced cauliflower. So I'm going to use that. I have another bag. I'm going to do 2 of them because once it cooks down, it's really not that much. There are 4 of us. Some mild cheddar and some Swiss, just for lunches, and of course the subs. 1 orange, because I'm using it for a stir-fry recipe this week. Some ginger for the pho. A whole bag of, I almost called these lemons. Onions, I need a lot of onion this week, so I just went ahead and bought a bag. Also, because the bagged Aldi onions aren't always that great. So I didn't want to get those. And then the single onions at Kroger look terrible, so I just bought these. This is really all I need. It's a really small baby onion. I needed 4. Some of these are kind of small. But anyways, they'll all get used. 3 avocados. These are for lunches. I love these on my crunch wraps. And my son loves avocado in his burrito. He just loves avocado. Some snow peas. That's for a stir fry. Some mustard greens. That's going in the exact same stir fry that these are going into. So 2 things of lettuce I'm going to chop up myself for salads and wraps. Various things. Spring baby mix. This is for a salmon salad I'm going to make this week. I mean, I could have just used that, but I kind of wanted some different flavors, some different things, so I got that. I'll probably use some of that too, depending on how far that stretches. Got some baby dill, Italian parsley. Yep, go down. Let's see. Some strawberries and blueberries. These were on sale at Aldi. They were also on sale at Kroger, but I went to Aldi first. That's what I got. Cucumbers, just for salads, various things. Small baby potatoes. This is for that salmon salad also. 2 things of cilantro. For the wraps that we have during the week, the burritos and then my crunch wraps. And then also for the pho. Green onions for the pho. Green beans, it's for a salad. It's like a roasted vegetable salmon salad. 2 things of these grape tomatoes for the salad. Some radishes also for the salad, but I'll only use a few of those. I don't know if you've ever tried these. These are actually pretty good if you just cut them up and roast them. I know a lot of people say that it tastes just like potatoes. I don't think that they taste just like potatoes, but they taste pretty good. You know, you add seasoning to anything, season it well enough, it'll probably taste delicious. And then last, I've got these raw potatoes. I only bought 1 bag last week, and it was not enough for when I do wraps during the week because I like a lot of tomato. And I was having to really parcel out each tomato daily because, you know, we use it for other stuff, for salads or for whatever. So I bought 2 this week, so I'm going to be tomatoing it up. All right. Well, I think that's it. Also, if you want to see the meal plan that I am using all these groceries for this week, if you wait until the end of this, you can see it. I'm going to show what we will be doing, give you a sneak preview of what you'll see in the week to come on my What's for Dinner. So yeah, that's it. I hope that everyone is staying safe and that you have a lovely day, week, night, morning, whatever time it is there. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching this week's grocery haul, and I hope you stick around for Friday's What's for Dinner. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.